So we have a quick review here. This is a shuttler for Apple and Android. It works with iPhones and Android phones. It takes one quad battery. You see, this is the button for the camera and the button for Android, and this whoop hole for the wrist strap. And you have this power switch that you can turn on and off. Yeah, it's like a car key remote. As a matter of fact, I'm sure about this, but you see, you have to strap it in your hands like so and get tightened. And yeah, I hope this video helps. And guys, what do you think about this camera shutter? So anyways guys, that's enough for this for now.